Yo, what's going on, guys? EasyTech231 here with the Ready Contacts app for your Android phone. And basically what this does, it replaces your stock contacts application. It doesn't really delete it, but it's one that you can use in the place of that, and it gives you some really nice added functionality. So before I get into the application itself, I'm going to get three things out of the way. Yes, it does have material design, so that is a plus. It requires Android 4.0 and higher. So if you're still running on Gingerbread or ICS or Honeycomb or whatever, then you won't be able to really use this application on your device. And last thing, there are also in-app purchases, so I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on that. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into the application itself here, and this is pretty much the main screen here. This is called the speed dial area. You've got your contact cards here with the contact photos, if you have any, and at the bottom of each card you have the option to call them, you can message them, and you've also got some more stuff down here, like you can open your call history with them, and you can also open the contact, so you can edit the contact if you'd like, and you can also delete that contact. Over on the right hand side, I'm not going to really show it to you. You got the history side, your call history side, and I'm not going to show that to you because I've got some phone numbers in there, and yeah. So at the upper right hand corner, we're going to get to all of our contacts in a list order, and it's ordered based on the first letter of the contact's last name, which is pretty cool. And also at the bottom here, we have a grid of letters here, so we can quickly switch in between all of our contacts based on their last name, which is a nice touch. And another nice touch is that what you can do here, you can kind of drag your finger along this here. I'm not doing it too well, but we've got a little dial here, and you can kind of switch in between your contacts and just get a nice view of them, which is pretty cool. That's a nice touch there. And you can also add a contact here with this button right there. So if you swipe in from the left hand side, this is where you're going to get to your customization settings, and you're also going to get to some information about the developers and the application itself, which is pretty cool. So if you remember at the beginning of the video, I did mention in-app purchases, and this is one of them, and that's themes. So what themes allows you to do is you can pretty much just change the colors of the main color and the accent color of the application itself. So if you wanted to do like a dark green and orange, you can do that. If you wanted to do kind of like a gray and a little bit of an orangish, reddish color, that is cool. And you can also change the overall theme from dark to light, and it's light right now, so now I just changed it to dark, which is pretty cool. That's a nice touch. Alright, so there we go, there's that. So let's go ahead and try something like that. Let's go ahead and stick with that for now. Another thing you get with the in-app purchases is the Predictive Dialer. So if I were to tap one number here, it would give me a certain selection of my contacts, which is pretty cool. Also, like I said at the beginning of the video, it's got a really nice material design, so you're going to get those really cool animations, and it's not just going to pop up in your face. It's gonna come out from somewhere, so that looks really cool. Another one of the main selling points with this application is called the call bubble. So here's the call bubble right here, and it kind of helps you out while you're getting called, so you can tell you your previous engagement with that person. So if I were to reject this call right now, sorry about that, we've got what we call the call bubble, and it kind of acts like a Facebook Messenger chat head, which is pretty interesting. And what you see right there is that little timing bar, which gives you a little window of time to be able to tap on that bubble and give you the option to call that person back or message that person, which is really cool. And then if I were to tap on it again, it will give me my previous 6 engagements or previous 6 calls that I made on my phone, which is really nice. I can tap on that contact and again quickly call them or message them, and yeah, that's pretty cool. And you can just tap on it. It's just a little bubble, it floats around on your screen, which is pretty nice. Again, it acts very much like a Facebook chat head, and yeah, anytime I wanted to, I can just tap on it, couple taps, and I can message or call that person very quickly. So that is a really cool option from the Ready Contacts application. Another thing you'll find in the settings is ringtones. So right now we have 9 so far in pack 1. They'll probably add some more packs in the future, but I'm going to show you guys a few just so you can get an idea of the ringtones that you can get with this application. So overall, Ready is a really nice tool for you Android users out there, and I definitely encourage you to go download this application. I actually really like it, and the call bubble is a very useful tool. So whenever I need to call somebody back, the call bubble is right there, and I just a couple taps away, and I don't have to go through my contacts or anything like that. It's really cool. So I definitely encourage you guys to go and try it out. Now, for those of you who want to get some of those cool features without paying for them, I have a way to do that, and it's totally legal. I've got 10 giveaway codes for you guys, so all you have to do to get those codes so you can get those cool features in there for free is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter, and share the video, and leave a comment on what you think of the application. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So just do those things, and I will be giving away the codes on Twitter, so definitely follow me on there at EasyTech231. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. More videos coming soon, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.